Have you ever wondered if it's worth getting a separate gamepad to your keyboard, or are you considering buying one? If so, you've come to the right place. So this is the Tartarus V2 gaming keypad from RAZER. It's a fully customizable mecha membrane unit for sale alongside the Orb Weaver, also from RAZER. Not necessarily an upgrade or a downgrade from the Orb Weaver, they're just two similar yet different keypads depending on your personal preference really. The packaging is of RAZER's usual high standards, as you can see. Box is nice, interior's nice, foam feels nice. Everything's tidy when you open the box so you can show off to your friends before you've even removed it. It comes with the usual RAZER funky stickers. These have like a rainbow reflection finish when you hold them under the light. And the instruction manual is very comprehensive, as you would expect from a RAZER product. So this particular model has RAZER's mecha membrane keys. So they're a soft touch membrane but with a tactile click to give the impression of a mechanical key. This is down to personal preference really on what your favourite type of key and feel is. The actuation is mid-height, which apparently gives you an advantage when gaming. It's got 32 fully programmable keys and macro capabilities as well. And the thumb pad is an 8-way directional, so you have your up, your down, left, right, and then your diagonal axis as well. The design is ergonomic, designed to fit your hand comfortably for extended periods of gameplay, so you don't get fatigue. And obviously this has the famous RAZER Chroma backlighting, so that sports 16.8 million colours and is customisable again, as are the keyboards, mice and all the other peripherals of the Chroma range. Of course this also sports RAZER's trademark pretty sexual neon green USB plug. Let's just take a minute to fully appreciate that, shall we? The palm rest itself is also adjustable. It has two different settings, a longer and a shorter version depending on how big your hand is. Unlike the Orb Weaver, this is quite limited. The Orb Weaver is very extendable. You can pretty much pull it to the size you want it to be. This has two presets and that's it. A welcome addition to some is the roll wheel, and the thumb switch is an updated version from the original Tartarus. The thumbstick can be removed in the middle as well, which I personally prefer. Gives it more of a PlayStation feel, but you can remove and reattach it as you see fit. I just find it a little bit awkward with the actual extension fitted there. I do find it a bit odd with the three functions for your thumb. It doesn't feel natural to me because as a seasoned gamer on a keyboard, my thumb is literally for the space bar and that's it. So that took a long time to get used to. So in order for RAZER to add the mechanical feel, they put the clicky switches. This to me is a bit too loud. This is why I removed all of the clicks on my Ornata keyboard, which I do have a video for if you want a tutorial on how to do that. The clicks can be heard on my microphone. It's on a desk-mounted arm and I can hear it on my live streams and on some of my YouTube gaming videos. And here's a key sound demo for you. This was recorded on my Rode NT USB microphone. The Tartarus utilises RAZER's Synapse software. Customizing the lighting was relatively easy. You can set the various preset colour schemes, which all look pretty funky. You can also apply them to any other Chroma enabled devices, meaning that everything runs in sync with each other. Some of the colour schemes include Wave, Fire, which is my favourite, Spectrum Cycling, Starlight, which looks like this, but you can add secondary colours and colours of your choice, which look pretty cool. Or you can just go with a static colour and choose any of the 16.8 million available. So just to summarise, the Tartarus V2 feels nice, it feels very natural on your hand. It is relatively easy to use. I gave myself 4 weeks to get used to it, but I did go back to a keyboard. I found the keyboard felt more natural for me. However, all that said, sat on your desk next to your other RAZER products, it looks fantastic. If you'd like to check out some of my other videos, I do a wide range of gaming videos, including fails to show how much I suck at games, and up and coming videos include a full unboxing and review of the RAZER Synosa Pro keyboard with the funky underglow. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get an email or an alert on your smartphone when I upload a new video. Thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.